Hello viewers, in this video we are dealing with the cholesterol biosynthesis. The first stage in the synthesis of cholesterol is the formation of isopentenyl pyrophosphate. Acetyl-CoA and acetoacetyl-CoA combine to form 3-hydroxy-3-methyl-glutaryl-CoA, that is HMG-CoA. HMG-CoA is then reduced to mevalonate by HMG-CoA reductase. Mevalonate is converted into 3-isopentenyl pyrophosphate by 3 consecutive reactions. The C5-isoprene unit in isopentenyl pyrophosphate are then condensed to form C30 compound, that is squalene. First isopentenyl pyrophosphate isomerizes to dimethyl allyl pyrophosphate, which reacts with another molecule of isopentenyl pyrophosphate to form C10 compound geranyl pyrophosphate. Another molecule of isopentenyl pyrophosphate then reacts with geranyl pyrophosphate to form C15 compound farnesyl pyrophosphate. Next, two molecules of farnesyl pyrophosphate condense to form squalene. Squalene is then converted into squalene epoxide. The squalene epoxide cyclizes to form lanosterol, and finally cholesterol is formed from lanosterol by the removal of 3 methyl groups. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.